Another day, another day, another day. Good morning. Is it a morning or afternoon? Whatever it is. Because I know ukuthi YouTube has told me ukuthi abanye abantu ababuka le channel, they are not watching from Umzansi. So it might be a morning to them, it might be an afternoon to you, but whatever the case may be. Welcome. Yimilo. Angina intro. Angina story. Anginazindaba eziningi ngifuna ukuthi nje kuwena we are counting days. Countdown has begun. Purposeful Influencer Awards are right around the corner. 14th of November, that is just literally 5 days from now. Lalela ngithi I am yazini ngizoke ngenze lezi zinto ezenziwa ama celebrity engihleze ngibabona but get ready with me lalela I'm gonna do it. Get ready with me to that red carpet. Ngikutshelile yini ukuthi uplazi wami is Kenneth, and Kenneth has been supporting this podcast from the word go. And recently I have noticed ukuthi kusukela towards mhlambe la ngabo April, May, I can't remember, has been the only channel member. Angazi ke wena ukuthi usadindeni ungabi channel member because our channel memberships are open and they are very reasonable. So he's one of our long-standing channel members. He's one of our long-standing subscribers. I chose him because of that. And more rewards are coming for you. If now you wanna be part of that, you are more than welcome to do so. Ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi ngizozama ngazo zonke indlela ukuthi ngikufake yabo ngikufake ngikuphathe nawe ungasale ezintweni. Ngifuna ukuthi ubone, kodwa if ukuthi awufuna ukuthi usale uvela uthenga ithikithi lakho on the quicket, because amathikithi ama Purposeful Influencer Awards akhona, especially if uhlala eThekwini namaphethelo awuna excuse. Ama Purposeful Influencer Awards azobenzeka lapha eRivers Hotel, a beautiful hotel. It's a 4-star. Come and mingle with us, come take pictures and have some some drink with me. Let us say cheers together, cheers to this moment, because this is a beautiful moment. Ebekade ngingazange ngiyicabange nokuyicabanga ukuthi izongifica, because it's the first nomination for a podcast, basically, if I may tell you the truth. It's the first nomination, one of its kind. I am really appreciating it. I am so excited about it, and I do believe it's one of many more that will come. Kodwa khona into engifuna ukukutshela yona ke ngifuna ukuxoxela wona. Angithi uyazi ukuthi kufanele siqale sibone izihlathi zethu kwenzela ukuthi ne-makeup mayihlala phela ezihlathini ihlale ezihlathini ezi-fresh. I-makeup ayiwacima ama-chubabs, i-makeup ayiwayicima iy'nduna, i-makeup ayiwacima amabala. So in order for you to do that, ngiyakutshela ngihleze ngikuplaga every day ukuthi nayi oil. This oil is less than 100 rand. Itholakala lapha e-Fruit and Veg, isemathilini. I am using a lemon flavor this time. It's called castor oil for face oil. So yeah. And as you know, Uguti, I support people with different challenges in life. I support people who wants to make meaningful things in life work for them in their favor. So let me tell you a very short story. And before I get into that short story, this week, since Cinema Awards, I am not going to release any stories, but what I'm going to do is that I'll compensate you for doing a live on the day of the awards. Get ready with me, Yami Izoba live, and I'm also going to do a vlog for you so that uzobona ukuthi bekwenzakalani kuma awards. Kodwa uma ungafuna ukuthi ulinde lo vlog, ngoba lo vlog possibly ngizoyiposta mhlambe a week later. Uma ungafuna ukuthi ulinde lo vlog, ngishilo ukuthi uvela uhambe uyothenga ithikithi lakho eQuickhead. So let me tell you something. November, right? November ngike ngasho kwena ukuthi uNovember is characterized by being a disability awareness month in Umzansi. Yes, abafana bayaloya. Abafana bayaloya, guys. It's a story time. Nasijikelend. It's a story time. It's a story time. It's a story time. Join the channel memberships, share, like, comment, subscribe, share, and you can also give me a super thanks while you are at it. Subscribe. Once in a day, after ke umakiwana engilile ngekiwi yakhe wangila wenza zonke izinto azenza. I'm sorry to tell the story on a portrait. Let us make things right. Okay. Okay, yeah. After uMakiwane engilile ngezitori zakhe, ngithathe-ke i-break, angisho ku-2021, 2022, 2023. Kuthi nje 2023 eseyophela, ngithathe i-break ka-1.5 months. Ngithi ngelinye ilanga awuthi-ke ngihambe ngiye e-car wash, ngiyowasha imoto. Nje ngishaywe nawomoya. That it was a long weekend futhi I remember, and uMonday wakhona uyi-holiday. I can't remember what holidays was it. Kodwa I think it was June 16, if I'm not mistaken. Angisakhumbuli. But it was a long weekend. I was like, on Sunday, let me go and wash my car because Monday wakhona ngangifuna, I wanted to go for a hike. So I decided, let me go and wash the car. Ayike ngihambe-ke ngivuke ekuseni abo 7, 8 ekuseni. I-car wash yethu-ke la engihlala ngakhona-ke mina ivula early as 7 a.m, especially nge-weekend. Baba very early because they know ukuthi abantu abaningi bayasebenza. Ngihambe ngiye-car wash. Mina-ke nginamahloni sidalo. Ungangiboni ngungqavu kanje manje ngixoxela indaba and everything. Mina nginamahloni nje. Uma ngabe ngifika phakathi kwabantu and nginamahloni futhi nginamahloni and ngiyahlonipha. Uma ngifika phakathi kwabantu, especially makukhona abantu besilisa lapho kuleyo ndawo leyo, angizishutheki phakathi kwabantu besilisa. I would just ngiyaqhela nje ngiyothola a space on the side, ngihlale esayidini. Ngibingelele-ke, of course, you know, you have to be humble. Ngibingelele bese ngiyoyihlalela le kude. So on that particular day ngiye car wash, ngihambe ngi-car wash. Mangifike car wash kugcwele. It's a Sunday morning and i-long weekend. Abantu abanye bayosala esayidini, abanye bachillile bazowasha izimoto zabo and everything. Ngifike laphaya, ngifike ngifake imoto yami lapha kulokula bathi la uyifaka khona wena i-drive. Ngiyifake mengiqeda ngiyihlehlise, bangitshela ukuthi ngiyihlehlise ngiyoyibeka kephi, ngiyihlehlise ngiyibeke lapho-ke se they have to take over and clean inside, angithi okay fine. Hayi ngingene-ke ngapha mangithi ngiyaphosa amehlo ngaphesheya la ekufanele ngiyohlala khona la kuneyihlalo kugcwele. Ngithe ngisabuka lo ukuthi kugcwele, I don't know noma umfana owayehleze eduze kwalo wabhuti wasukuma wahamba noma isihlalo vele sasi-empty, but emqondweni wami already sengizitshelile ukuthi ngizosuka ngiyokhala ngiyomale kude ngoba vele la engiya khona ngiyabona ukuthi kugcwele abantu besilisa and angithi ngikutshelile ukuthi nginamahloni mina sidalo sami and ngiyahlonipha. Hayi mangithi ngiphakamisa amehlo la ngiyohlala khona kugcwele abantu besilisa, kodwa nje mzuzwana mangiqeda ukunikeza umfana wase-car wash izikhe zemoto ukuthi-ke phela mase akwazi ukwenza everything, mesiqedile ayisuse la efana ayisuse khona ayise kwenye indawo yopolisha, yabona leyo ma-process lezo step kanjalo. And ngizitshelile emqondweni wami ukuthi mangisuka la vele ngijwayele ukwenza kanjalo. Mangisuka la I'm just gonna go around a town and shop for whatever that I need, and then when I'm done I'm gonna come back. I know by the time I come back ngiqedile bese ngithatha ikhe ngiyinika umfana. Just as I was about to leave, kube khona into ethi ngikhathele, ngifuna ukuhlala phansi kancane before ngiye town. Mangiphakamisa amehlo kugcwele amadoda angaphesheya, angazi, like I said, angazi whether isihlalo vele sasi-empty or lwabhuti wasusa umfana wayeseduze kwakhe or wenzakalani, kodwa nje all of a sudden there was a chair eyayisi-available. That chair kwakukhona ubhuti kuyona, egayi nje omfushanyana obukekayo nje odakhi ngebala, and abantu abadakhi ngebala-ke mina-ke ngiyabathanda ngoba phela mina ngiyelo, angithi I can't be yellow nendoda ibe yelo, asingabi yelo sonke. Kufanele noma isigebengu singena endlini sibone ubuso obuqinile obuqinile ithi obumnyama yabo, caca ukuthi indoda leyo umuntu wesifazane le. Abe sengiqhubeka ngisheshise lo bhuti athi nayi indawo sizohlala ngala, ngize ngizohlala eduze kwakhe. Kodwa engakuqaphela ukuthi before aze angi-offarishe le ndawo yokuhlala, already mina nje kwase kukhona into eyayisingidonsile, angazi kanjani ngase ngidonsekile nje already, ngiyinto edonsekile iyohlala eduze kwalo muntu. Ngifike ngihlale. Asiyeni ku-part 2 ngizonitshela ukuthi ngishiso yini into yokuthi abantu besilisa bayaloya, siphelile iziloyo zabantu besilisa, but abaningi bethu abazi. Ungambona umuntu enamathele ethe nca, kavinjelwa wendoda uzuzibuza ukuthi hayibo lo muntu wesifazane ubonani kuloya muntu wesilisa, kanti hayi uphelile yile. Abo mekuthiwa udle nephepha, that's the situation. Cabanga nje ngibuya kuMakiwana ngithathe i-break kanyaka nohafu ngiyongena la.